Hey, I'm Craig with Kuat.
And I'm Tom with Kuat.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some neat additions for accessory kits that are coming out specifically for the Kuat IBEX.
Yes, yeah, we briefly mentioned a new accessory in one of our previous videos, and we actually have one right now.
Pretty.
So we're going to do an unboxing and kind of show it and go through it. I think this is a pretty cool accessory.
All right, here's the kit, and we're out. No, just joking, just joking. Okay.
Now let's break it out.
So,
do a little background on the kit. Like, what is this?
Yes.
A little history, a little story, and then we'll break it out.
Yes. So, in further collaboration between Kuat and Diode Dynamics, Diode Dynamics is bringing. Right now, we have 3 light kits available that you can pair with the IBEX. And so this light kit is the flush mount facing downward light kit. I think that's maybe one of the.
I think it kind of makes sense. Yeah. So
it's lights for your IBEX for the bed of your truck.
Yes, the IBEX is designed specifically, with several T channels to accept accessories like this, and our partners at Diode developed, used some of their existing light technology and adapted it to fit our IBEX specifically. So
really cool.
Yeah. So this kit is made for the IBEX. Now Craig is going to kind of break down what each little piece is and kind of what that looks like and what it does. But yeah, like he mentioned before, this is kind of like one of 3, really, right?
One of 3 that we have out or coming for the IBEX system.
So all of this, like if you got all 3 of these different individual light kits for the IBEX, you could light up about anything.
It's going to be a Christmas tree out there on the road.
Oh, exactly.
Which is cool because better to be seen than not seen at all.
That is true.
That's one way.
That is true, especially on the road.
Okay, so
break this down. What is in the packaging? Like, this is the full kit, right?
This is the full kit. I've got it all scattered out here.
And this is the bed light kit. This illuminates the interior of the truck bed.
This would mount on the IBEX. Just as Tom mentioned, we have T-channels both on the tops of our crossbars and on the bottom.
Okay. And
this kit is designed with specific hardware made for the IBEX, so it sits flush. What are we talking about? Okay. 4, I'll let you hold these 2. These are 4 stage series rock lights. These are dual mode, so they have a kind of a half power or a full power. Full power, these are 1,000 lumens per rock light.
Yeah, those are pretty bright.
Very bright. They only pull 10 watts. These would mount on the underneath side of your crossbars, shining down. And it comes with all your harnesses, your wiring harness to plug in all 4 lights together. It comes with both clear lenses and amber lenses to help, 1, I think, keep bugs away, and 2, it's a little softer on your eyes.
Yeah, the lenses are interchangeable on these, which is pretty cool.
And Diode has a series of other colors. Let's say you want to get, you're feeling green or feeling blue or red. You can just quickly switch out these lens caps. It comes with, as we were mentioning, this is specific IBEX T-channel hardware.
Okay.
So these are designed just for the IBEX to fit flush inside the T-channel rails, so the lights sit like they were literally designed just to, conform right on the underneath side of the bars. This comes with a connector, so you can connect all 4 lights together. And then this is a T-tap wiring harness, which allows you to plug the light kit into your current bed lights. So that way you can flip the switch from the cab, or possibly when you open or close your doors in the back, unlock the car or unlock the truck, the lights kick on.
So you can connect this to your existing vehicle like features.
Correct.
Yeah, so it all kind of works together.
Yeah, so it's really, it's a literal plug-and-play system.
So these are products that Diode has had already, though. I mean, these are already a part of their assortment and their line. So it makes it specific to our product is the mounting hardware, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Yep. This is proprietary to the Kuat IBEX. Yeah, these rock lights have been around for a minute. They carry an 8-year lifetime warranty. We heard through the grapevine that Diode has yet to warranty a rock light, which
I mean,
should give you
I'll
some
knock
peace of
on
mind.
wood for them. All right,
Yeah.
I don't want to jinx them, but I guess that's a testament to how well their product is made. You know, these are designed to last a long time. They're sealed up nice and tight. They really put a lot of effort into, you know, what they do, just like Kuat. You know, we want to make products that last a really long time and do what you need them to do. So these are gonna do the same. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome.
Yep.
I want to open one, but I don't want to tear up the packaging.
I mean, you can open one.
That's all right.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's do a live unboxing. Here we go.
Do you have it turned on?
Here it is. Oh.
Oh wow,
Yeah, I
let me
get a
see
feel
that.
They're pretty small. I mean, compact, I should say. You know, nice things come in kind of compact sizes sometimes.
Man, it's because, yeah, it feels like it's a lot fatter. Man, that thing's going to sit like,
Yeah, it's so
that
flush.
thing's going to fit nice and tight,
You won't
like
even
up under there.
see it until you open the door, turn it on.
I know. Did you turn that off?
No, it's on.
Good.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
live. Yeah, like I said, you can switch out colors. You know, wait till Christmas or Halloween. Like I said, you can light this thing up.
Do you know how the pods come off?
Pods come- yeah, you
you
kinda-
probably have to push those little tabs under there and pop that off or
Yep.
something.
And you might
Okay.
be able to, if you can hit it with your finger.
Yeah, it's kind of tough. That's all right.
Yeah.
But yeah, those will come off. You can pop the amber one on there.
Yeah, plenty of extension. If you didn't want to route into the OE bed lights in your truck bed, they give you all this extension, so you can run this all the way up to your battery.
So these are all the same. Like these are
They're all the same.
These are all wiring extensions. So there's more than enough stuff here to
you-
really like wire it any way
Yeah,
you want
ample. Depending on if it's a short bed truck, if it's a long bed truck,
to. Yeah.
if you want all 4 in the back, yeah, you have plenty of cables to make it to where you need to plug in power. And if you run out of power, they have everything you see here. You can buy a la carte, which I think is really neat.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So those just plug in together.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I mean, this
and
is a
you'll
pretty simple
plug
system.
in here. I'll probably run this to where I'll probably run it into my bed lights in the truck bed, using this T-tap system. So I can plug in here, and then this will plug into the power for the bed lights in the back. And I can either connect the high power mode or the low power mode. So you can run 400 lumens on low power mode or 1,000 lumens on high power mode. Probably go 1,000 because, you know,
Why would
not?
you want
Yeah.
anything less than 1,000?
Right. Yeah, exactly.
You gotta have 1,000.
Crank this up to 11.
Those are super nice. They just look nice too.
You do.
You
And
know, you can tell it's a quality light.
they're pretty indestructible. You can, you know, I've seen some of the R&D testing that they do. They put these through the paces. They freeze these. They put them in an oven.
Oh yeah.
They run over them.
Oh yeah.
You're not breaking these.
No. Yeah, they have some that have been sitting in like terrible environment chambers for like years.
Oh,
kind of
yeah,
thing.
they had. So, if you get the chance to ever go up to Diode Dynamics headquarters, what Tom's talking about is they have this like refrigerator-looking thing that is, you know, clear on the front, and they plug in the lights till they just quit working, and they timestamp them, and there are some that have been in there for years. They're on 24/7, 365. They never shut off.
Mm-hmm.
They just go until they don't go.
It's pretty cool.
and
Yeah.
most of them are continuing to go.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's just a testament to the quality of Diode Dynamics.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'm excited to have these accessories. This will be really fun.
Yep. We will have further information. We'll have the link in the description on where to or how to purchase these from Kuat. They can also be purchased from Diode, which is really neat.
Yeah, so we will have these on our website under the IBEX accessories. Again, Diode, yeah, they will also have these. So, yeah, if you're shopping around and you want some lights for your IBEX, that's a great place to look.
Yep. I think that's really kind of it. We want to we want to talk about the new light kits coming. We'll have a few more videos on the other light kits coming, but it's a really awesome product, and we are looking forward to seeing how you all interact with this product, how you assemble it. We'd love to see your rig and how you're using these lights in conjunction with the IBEX. Yeah.
Absolutely. That's kind of a fun part about like this industry and this stuff is, man, people put their own take on things, you know,
They do.
install things or tweak things, you know, in ways that suit their needs, you know, or the way they want it to look. So yeah, I'm really curious and excited to see how everybody uses the product. But yeah, definitely more information to come. If you have questions about these products or anything else in the Kuat line, definitely, you know, what do you have to do to make sure you're getting updates on this? And like, you want to stay informed?
You want to stay informed. You want to subscribe to any newsletters that Kuat's putting out. You want to mash that like button.
That's what I was getting at.
And then you want to subscribe for further videos that we're going to be putting out.
Yeah. So. But questions. We love questions. Ask us those if you have them. And yeah, we'll be as informative as we can.
Thanks.
Definitely. Thank you.